Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to receive a notification when a device cannot connect to the network on the Google Home application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the settings icon in the middle of the screen. Scroll down to the features section and click on notifications. Tap on Wi-Fi notifications down below and then click on the third option, receive a notification when a device cannot connect to the network. If you tap on this button, you will turn on this function. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.